So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to start Zoho Assist on Zoho CRM platform. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website, log into your account right here. After that select this profile icon right here. Now select Access Zoho CRM. After coming on the home page, you guys will need to select this settings icon right here. Now go with this Zoho option. Now scroll down until you guys see this Zoho Assist section right here. Now select its manage button and you can choose this button right here if you have an account on Zoho Assist. If you don't have any account on Zoho Assist, then select this button. We'll go with this one and just select this button right here called accept. Now we have successfully connected to our Zoho Assist on Zoho CRM platform. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.